better. But
Can
careful
I
on the
still
wild
join
from
Mia?
the.
Yeah.
I just accept the
Except
platform.
go back southwest. Go back southwest.
They have
Go back
SLB.
southwest.
Careful.
This
Yeah.
is me and
Move
Fern, right?
to southwest. Move to
Spread,
southwest.
spread. I'm gonna pick. Kill this guy. Q and W only. Okay, go back.
They're
Thanks.
looking careful.
Hip up gigapats. It's fine. Go back. You're too far, huh? You're too far. You guys are too far. Debonaires, you're too far. Heal Debonaires. Heal. Cleanse. We push now. Push. Everyone push. Push. It's fine.
Careful. Bomb squad.
Push. Hold. Look in the middle. In the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the middle of the bridge. Look for me. Nice
Nice one.
kill. Go back. Cleanse us. Southwest now. Hold.
They're looking careful. They're looking.
Yeah. Hold. Push again. In the middle of the bridge. Again. In the middle of the bridge.
J.
In the middle of the bridge. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us.
Yo, bomb to southeast.
Inside us instead. Southeast. Okay, go back. Don't loot. That's why you get caught. Don't loot. Cleanse. Q and W inside us. Get out from the wall.
Careful.
Oh my god. Hills. Keep on healing.
They're looking.
Keep on healing. Southwest now.
Can I?
If we get clump, please cleanse us. Okay, in the middle of the bridge again. 5, 4, 3,
Petok.
2,
Careful.
1. In the middle of the bridge. On me. Look for me. Oh, no damage. Hold. Did you drop damage? Spread.
They're looking careful. They're looking.
Spread. Hills in front. Unlucky.
I got lag.
Oh my god.
Fucking bullshit.
Don't run. In the middle of the bridge again. In the bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop everything in the bridge. See? They will run away if we drop DPS. Keep on healing. I'm dropping Judy. Okay, hold.
Careful behind.
Spread. Spine. Unlucky. Full run.
Just run.
Southwest. Run. Guys, we have a lot of arcane. Your W can help us if we get clump. You can